Happy mortgage market and you. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage. Market fluently. So I know there's a bunch of newer agents in the market. So please, if you're a principal broker, if you're helping someone, or if you're new, never, ever, ever assume the borrower is going to send your mortgage person the contract. It's starting to happen over and over and over where we're getting weeks and even potentially a month into a transaction. No one gave us the contract. No one. So literally we're like, hey, we're about ready to close, hoping we're going to see docs pretty soon. I guess you deserve a congratulations. I think we're in contract. Did you send me the file? No, I just assumed the borrower did. That's your responsibility, realtor, right? They don't know better. They're the borrower. You're the realtor. Let's keep this thing and get this thing in contract into the finish line. So please, 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 day one when you get the contract, forward it to me with all addendums. Again, I promise, it's happening at least every week. All right, this past week, super crazy bumpy. You'll see when you look at the pic that Mike will put in there as well, like sort of extreme volatility a little bit. What does that mean? Lots of risk if you're with a lender who doesn't follow the market. Lots of reward if you're with someone good. Like we grabbed some 1% money this last week. 1% money, like shocking, right? It was there for 5 seconds. We found it. So week to come. Not a ton of economics, although we're starting to see the economy really starting to slip. My humble opinion, time will tell. When I've been right for the last several years, we'll see. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it does amazing. COVID, Delta, that's everything. That is the focus. That is the entire focus for months to come. Short term, extreme volatility. So I'm gonna have my finger on that lock button, but floating and riding that wave. So just like last week, I think we're gonna see a lot of bumps, which means lots of opportunity to win, but lots of opportunities to lose. So be very careful. Intermediate range. I'm tired of talking about it. Again, it's been 2 years. I'm tired of saying the C word. But COVID 4.0, it potentially, if it does what they did the first time around, economically only, stripping wealth, right? They take advantage. Greedy people. I believe we're going to see another stripping of wealth internationally again on COVID 4.0's version, the Delta variant. So if that comes to fruition, while bad for most of the world except for the top 1%, we should see in mortgage some shocking all-time historic lows, even lower than we've ever seen. So at least for some of us, we may be able to capture on that. And then long term, of course, because of inflation, once we get through what we're doing, we are going to have to start raising rates. So I predict within a year to year and a half, we should see a 1% to 2% bump. So float today. If COVID 4.0 is as bad as I think internationally, we're going to see all-time historic lows and then again, super big jumps within a year and a half. Chris from Fluent Mortgage. Mortgage fluently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and most importantly, take advantage of this market. See you next week.